Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video Python program to find sum of first and natural number. Here in the first line, this part of the code asks the user to type a number. Then in the next line, this line is where the actual calculation happens. The formula for the sum of first and natural number, as the formula is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. The formula is a mathematical shortcut that allows us to quickly calculate the sum of first n numbers. The idea behind this formula is that if you add the first and the last number of the series, you get the same as adding the second and second last number, and so on. Now, in the next line, this is used to print and display the result to the user. It will print the sum of first natural number is. Now let's print this. I am entering 6. Hence the sum of first 6 natural number is 21. Thanks for watching this video.